Everyone, back tuning into today's video. We're going to do the 5-day forecast today, as we do every Wednesday. Have a detailed look at weather the next 5 days across the British Isles. We're going to be seeing a lot of high pressure influences again, so it's going to be mainly dry. Orientation will change a little bit though, so I think we'll turn a little bit more unsettled and cooler in the north and west over the weekend. Now, before I get on with the video, I just want to talk about the advertisement. This video ads on my pages at GazWeatherVids.com. You press play on the video ad, you'll be supporting GazWeatherVids.com. And thanks very much for doing that. The content ads, you just click through the links. If you're interested in any of the articles, you'll be able to go to the website where the article is and read the article. At the same time, GazWeatherVids will get a royalty fee on what you're doing. Thanks so much for doing these things and supporting the website. Now, the charts we're using are coming from weathercentral.de and weatheroutlook.com. You can find a link to both of those websites on my links page. At this point, I would usually be also using the radar picture from the UK Met Office, but there's nothing to see. It's a universally dry day across the whole of the country today, so we won't bother with the radar picture. We'll just get on with the forecast. So this is today's synoptic pressure chart with high pressure sitting over the British Isles, a very nice area of high pressure there. Now, I've got a lot of cloud underneath it this morning, or we've had a lot of cloud underneath it this morning with some mist and fog patches around as well. Most of that's going to burn off through the course of the day, so there'll be some good sunny spells coming through this afternoon. Here and there we could keep some low cloud and some fog mist patches perhaps going through into the afternoon, but I think most places will brighten up with sunny spells coming through. Now, depending on how long the fog lasts, it's going to limit the temperature potential. So if the cloud and fog goes on for some time into the day, then you're only going to get up to around 10, 11, 12 degrees when the sun comes out. Otherwise, if you've had sunshine from the word go, you're probably going to see the temperatures getting up to 16, maybe 17 degrees. That's 63 Fahrenheit. So quite a big temperature contrast across the country today between those areas that keep cloud for much of the day and those areas that have sunshine or have had sunshine from the word go. Overnight, we'll probably see more of that mist and low cloud and some fog patches coming back, but also have clear spells as well under this area of high pressure. It's going to get quite chilly again tonight, with rural locations having a frost, temperatures going down to freezing, maybe -1. Even in the towns and cities, we're probably down to 2 or 3 degrees, which is low enough for some ground frost. So certainly quite a coolish sort of start to Thursday morning. But Thursday will really be a repeat performance of today, although we will bring a very weak weather front into the north of Scotland. So I think central northern Scotland will have more cloud, maybe a few showers, but most parts will start off on a sort of greyish sort of note, and then it'll quickly brighten up with good sunny spells developing. Probably going to brighten up quicker than is the case today for most places. As a result, it could be a little bit warmer tomorrow, with temperatures perhaps popping up to 18 degrees. That is 64 to 65 Fahrenheit. So a very warm day for the time of the year. Good sunny spells away from central northern Scotland. Now, as we go through to Friday, the orientation of the high pressure is shifting a little bit. It's going off towards the west of the country. Basically just means that we're going to turn it a little bit more unsettled for Scotland. We'll bring a band of cloud and rain down into Scotland through the course of Friday. That may come down in towards Northern Ireland by the end of the day. England and Wales, again, probably a grey start, but soon breaking through with good sunny spells in the afternoon. Warm in the south, temperatures up to 17 or 18 degrees. Cooler in the north, though. Temperatures for Scotland probably dipping down to around 8 or 9. Moving through to Saturday, the high pressure still down to the southwest, just off the coast of Ireland. Again, we're pulling the winds in from the northwest around the top of that high pressure. It'll be a cooler day all round, I think, on Saturday. Rather a lot of cloud, especially in the morning. Some sunny spells coming through in the afternoon, particularly for England and Wales. Probably keeping rather a lot of cloud for Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England through much of the day. Temperatures, as I say, will be cooler all round. So in the south, probably seeing maximums of around 14 degrees, something like that, 57 Fahrenheit. In the north, probably just 6 or 7 for northern Scotland. Southern Scotland, northern England, probably around 9 or 10. But you'll feel the change, I think, in the air mass with that northwesterly flow. As we move through to Sunday, the high pressure is bridging back in, if anything, to the south. So England and Wales stays dry. Morning Wales sunshine on Sunday, but is the case on Saturday. It'll be a warmer day as well, with cutting off that northwesterly supply for the south. So temperatures will be lifting up across England and Wales again on Sunday, bringing back to 16 degrees, 61 Fahrenheit. For Scotland and Northern Ireland and parts of northwest England, it will be a cloudy day Not much rain around, a few showers, little drizzly bits and pieces, but rather a lot of cloud in the north. As a result, temperatures are limited to around 9, 10 or 11. And then we end the forecast period on Monday, still with the same sort of situation, high pressure down to the southwest, probably bringing another more active weather system through to central northern Scotland. So I think, again, for Scotland, we could have some outbreaks of rain on Monday, so that could be quite persistent and heavy, but further south, mainly dry. Best of the sunshine will be in the south and the southwest. That's where the highest temperatures will be, perhaps up to 17 or 18 degrees once again. So it really is a completely dry 5-day forecast for England and Wales, but there will be some rain at times in the north, but not a lot. Even in the north, it's not really too bad. Here's the charts from the Weather Outlook. This situation today, I've had a lot of cloud this morning, but I think most of that will burn off this afternoon. Feel good sunny spells. It's going to be a warm day as well. For Thursday, again, mainly dry, cloudy start with maybe some mist and fog, but it should soon probably go quicker than is the case today, with sunny spells coming through and warm as well. Rain coming into the north on Friday, that'll move southwards but peter out on Friday night. Still warm in the south, but turning cooler in the north. Saturday, a cooler day all round, rather a lot of cloud, best of sunshine being in the south and southwest, always cloudier in the north and northwest, where there could be some spots of rain around. The temperatures lift up again though for Sunday across England and Wales, with sunshine really coming back, always cloudier and cooler with some showery bits and pieces possible in the north. And then as we go through to Monday, the end of the 5-day forecast period, with more rain coming back into central northern Scotland. The rest of the country mainly dry, good sunny spells, and it will be warm as well. So in summary, well, if you like dry weather and spring-like conditions, it's really good news for you. High pressure is going to be dominating for the next 5 days. Will be some rain at times coming into the north, but not a lot, mainly light and showery. But basically, high pressure in control, particularly for England and Wales, where it'll be basically dry, fine and warm. So a very nice 5-day forecast period coming up. That's it for now. Enjoy it. Bye for now.